Belzona 1391T is two-part ceramic-filled epoxy coating which provides erosion and corrosion resistance to equipment operating under immersion up to 130 degrees Celsius, 266 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers excellent resistance to a wide range of aqueous solutions, hydrocarbons, and process chemicals. Each product comes with manufacturer's instructions for use. In this video, we will demonstrate how to mix Belzona 1391T by volume. First, remove the seals and caps from the base and solidifier. This product is easy to apply using hand tools. It has a long overcoat window and can be rapidly force cured, allowing applications to be effectively completed with minimal downtime. Using a spatula, scrape off the edges to reincorporate any settlement. Pour the entire contents of the solidifier into the base. Using a spatula, scrape the remaining solidifier to fully incorporate the material. Mix thoroughly until a uniform material free of streakiness is achieved. Once the material is mixed, it is ready for the planned application on heat exchangers, desalters and drain drums, separators,